how to know your video total play time. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to know your video total play time on your TikTok app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, you should first thing have a business account. To do that, click on those three lines and click on setting and privacy. Click on manage account and switch to a business account. Now once you do that, go to your video that you want to know total. Click on analytic here and you're gonna find what you are searching for, and this is it. This is how you find total play time. So this video is almost 1 hours. In your videos you're gonna know the period. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.